Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is Spooky Sunday and today I can already smell it. It smells so good. We are doing a witchy unboxing. So pretty much what that means is for the last month or two I've been doing a bunch of research on subscription boxes for pagans and witches and stuff like that, and I was like, you know what, I've never done this before, but since I work in a store similar to that, well, pretty much like that, I figured I would do this specifically for September and October. And so today I have 3 subscription boxes. I think I only ordered 3 for this month, hopefully, because the month is already almost over. So these are the only 3 that I've gotten in the mail, and I have 3 different kinds. They ranged from, I think, $20-something to about $30-something. I wanted to make sure there was like a limit on what I was spending, and these were one-time purchases, so I'm really glad I had that option of doing just like a one-time purchase. The smallest box that we're starting out with is from Tamed Wild. I do get a lot of emails from them, so I figured let's go ahead and just order one anyways. It was actually really affordable. Tamed Wild without taxes is $25 for the one-time payment. I think with tax it's about 29 something. So, okay, so opening up the box, it has this list of different things that are in it and has this whole thing on the back, but I'm not going to read that. It's way too long. So there's plant identification cards. So it's for jotting down your notes and sketches about certain plants. And here it is right now. It actually comes with 6. So, it says Tamed Wild on the front side, and then on the back side, you can put like the name and different uses and draw a picture of the plant. And then of course I have this little calendula sticker. I think that's what it is because it is edible. So let's see. I do have this card. Oh, and I think it's the list of flowers that I do have in this box. These are magical and edible flowers, and it lists the different kinds. There's borage, calendula, violet, nasturtium, I can never say it right, and dandelion. Cool. So it pretty much lists and describes, what kind of element the plant is and stuff like that. Okay, that's cool. Ooh. And it also comes with the seeds. I am definitely going to be planting this because we're heading into fall, winter time, and I want to get to this as soon as I can. This is the one that I can't say, and this is mixed kitchen herbs, and I also have thyme seeds. So, okay. Definitely like that. And then also because we are in the fall equinox or fall solstice, also known as Mabon, they also sent me a tea, a Mabon tea. This is a artesian herbal tea. It contains black tea, orange peel, cinnamon, and natural fruit flavors. Also in this box, I have a tea ball. I actually don't have one of these, but we do sell these at my work, so this is nice. And then I also have this foraging tote bag. So this is, it's like, a typical tote bag, and it has all these different flowers and herbs on it. That is so cool. And it's on both sides. And then lastly, in this little pouch right here, it's in, I believe it's like a charm or like an amulet. And that's, actually it'd be easier if I just took it out. It's like this plant. I can't remember what it's called, but I think it's like a big leaf kind of plant. That's what the little amulet looks like. I wish it was gold because I'm not really a silver kind of person, but it's cute. I think this would be really cute like on a bracelet or something like that. So this is really nice. So far, I definitely like this box. It's more herbal, and you guys already know, being an herbalist, I really don't mind that whatsoever. I think it's different and it's really cute. It's outside of that witchy realm, but at the same time still kind of witchy. So let's move on to the next box. So here is our next box. This is the Lady of the Light. Binks! This is the one I could not find the price for the life of me. I tried looking through my receipts and just could not find anything. I don't know where it went, but I know I spent probably around $30-something for it, I believe, because there's a lot of stuff in this box. And I think this is the one that actually smelled good. No, it was the other one. The other one is the one that smelled good. This is the one I have no idea how much it costs. So let's just go right into it. Okay, first upon opening it is this huge packet of papers. And it even has my name on it. Whoa. Gosh. Like, literally, it's like a huge packet of papers. It's got my name on it. And it pretty much talks about this month and how they are celebrating, you know, the Babylonian goddess of salt, water, and other different elements. And it lists the different products that are in this box and how much they cost. So, I mean, I'm not really going to tell you how much they cost individually, but we'll go through each thing that's in this box. And I haven't really looked through this yet. Okay, so I guess it kind of gives you history and different kinds of magic and affirmations and, you know, like a thank you letter and other stuff like that. And then I also have more paper. I think that's just about the subscription box, and they sent me parchment paper. This actually comes with one of the kits that's in this box because it says Dragon's Blood writing kit. And, you know, of course they sent me like blank parchment paper. This is for, you know, writing your spells and notes and all that stuff for your Book of Shadows and stuff like that. So moving on, I have this card. I think it's like an affirmation card. It says, take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. So this is really nice. I think this is an affirmation card actually. And then I have this candle card, Karma, called Karma. It's frankincense and vanilla. I'm not really a huge fan of that. But I'm actually saving a lot of the stuff that I don't want in these subscription boxes for this sweepstakes / giveaway we're doing at my work. So pretty much if you spend like a minimum of $20, you get entered into this drawing to win like $100 worth of free stuff. And I feel like last time we did it, the prize winnings were okay, but I feel like for this season, we need to do something interesting. So I'm actually going to be throwing a lot of the stuff I don't want in these boxes into that giveaway. So I'm going to put that on the side. Next, I also have this bottle of, I think ink. I think it's Dragon's Blood. Yeah. This is a bottle of Dragon's Blood ink. And then I also have this little dragon figurine, which is Tiamat. I believe Tiamat. Yeah, I think Tiamat is a dragon. Also have this one incense stick. It's called Sandalwood. I already know what that smells like. Incense sticks are nothing new for me. Ooh, I do have a selenite stick. I love selenite, so I'm going to keep that. And I also have another stone in here. It looks like rose quartz and it looks raw. So I'm going to open that up and check. Yeah. Yeah, this is a raw rose quartz. Pretty much now, I like memorize like so many stones. I know what they all look like just by looking at it. And some people have like asked me if I was like a genealogist or a gemologist, and I'm like, no, I just work at a metaphysical store. So it's like I know what all these stones are by heart. See, they also sent me this really horrible looking cheap red feather. It's for dipping your ink in it and writing with it. I don't think I'll be giving this away. I think I'll just throw it away, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, it's plastic. It doesn't look like a real feather whatsoever. It's just plastic. Yeah, so I'm gonna be tossing this because you can tell it's like painted on. It's just, yeah. For the amount of money I paid for this box, a lot of the stuff in here, it's like inexpensive, which is, I think, kind of a ripoff. So if you see this box, I would suggest not buying it. I actually bought it through this website called Cratejoy. And on Cratejoy, it listed like a bunch of different companies on there. And it's kind of like one of those services that like provide little services on there. So you can like buy through them for that company. So that's what Cratejoy is. And you know, I use the discount codes and all this stuff. And this one in particular, I would not suggest. Just because it's like, but you know, that's expected. I expected one box to like not be the greatest. So I'm gonna toss that feather. Next thing I have is these cone incense, and it's also dragon's blood. So definitely not keeping that. So far, all the stuff in the box, except for the stones, I'm not keeping. And lastly, okay, this I will keep for sure. Lastly is this lava rock bracelet. I've never owned one of these before. I think they're pretty cute. Yeah, this is a lava rock bracelet. Cool. I might actually wear that right now. That box I did not like whatsoever. I just thought it was just really plain and just really bland. I don't know. Oh, lastly is this unmarked box. I think this one was the more expensive one because originally it's $35, but with the discount and then the shipping and tax on top of that, it still came out to about $41. So it could have been a little bit more, but I think I saved a little bit money on it. So yeah, this is the box we're going to be going through. And this is from Awakening in a Box. I think this is, yeah, Awakening in a Box. Okay. This one doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, but it actually has like really good stuff that's useful. So the first product I have is petrified wood, and this is kind of cool because I've never seen petrified wood before. It's pretty cool. And it has an affirmation. I am always guided to safe and positive experiences, receiving messages from ancient spirits. And it pretty much explains how petrified wood is formed and, you know, what chakras it aligns with and what the zodiac signs are. So this is cool. Definitely cool. There's definitely not a lot of stuff in this box, but I think it's because it's the option that I chose. There were two options, and I think I'm going to choose the other one for next month. It's a type of box that comes with like a deck of cards, and you can actually like choose one or the other, and it comes with certain things that have to do with that kind of box. And so since mine is all about the Earth Warrior, that's the kind of stuff that I ended up getting in this box. Little pin, I think it's like a little Buddha or like shrine kind of person praying, like, you know, with the hand up here and stuff like that. I'll be giving that one away just because I'm not really like a pin fanatic. The next one I have is actually, it comes with two things. This really, oh my god, this tea light smells amazing. I don't know what is this, but once I figure out what it is, I can probably make this at work because I make candles and stuff like that. Oh, it smells good. It smells really minty, like mint, eucalyptus, and like whatever else that is. It smells so good. And like maybe some camphor, but who puts camphor in candles? I don't know. I feel like I would. Next, I have this little Buddha tea light candle holder. This is kind of cool. Not gonna lie. I'm torn between whether I want to keep it or I don't want to keep it. So I have no idea. Really like it. I'm gonna put that back in there because it actually fits perfectly. This is the Earth Warriors Oracle deck. This is actually my first Oracle deck. In every box of cards comes with a book on how to read it and stuff like that. And then you have your Oracle deck. It's really Native American looking, like just first glance, because I was looking at the design on the front side. And it's like really Native American like. It's very naturey, like very earthy, kind of Native American, spiritual. Yeah, for example, like this one, that's really cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, definitely a really good box. Between the last two boxes, I prefer this box better. And, you know, because it's more about divination than anything. And then, of course, the first box from Tamed Wild was, like, very herbal and more, you know, entwined with, like, nature and Mabon and stuff like that. So, definitely like that. That's what I have so far for this unboxing, this witchy subscription unboxing for Spooky Sunday. I can't wait to do next month's. I need to start looking at the different ones that I'm going to buy. I think I already had one ordered on accident because I ordered it too late. So I originally was going to get it for September, but it's actually going to get sent to me in October. So at least I'll have one already ready by then. So, by the way, just in case you guys are wondering about my outfit, this shirt's actually from Shein. It's like an oversized, like long t-shirt, and it has these slits on the side. And this choker is also from Shein, which is super pretty. Just came in the mail yesterday, actually. And this hat that I'm wearing, this wide brim hat, is from Killstar. I love it. Freaking love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for Spooky Sunday. I will see you guys soon. And, well, I mean, probably not soon, but I'll see you guys next Friday for like another beauty video. Until then, bye-bye.